The heart of the jungle, typically a symphony of life, can fall into a desperate silence when the earth itself becomes a trap. Mission Mud Rescue. Safeguarding jungle animals and reptiles drops you into the heart of this crisis, where seasonal floods and torrential monsoon rains transform the forest floor into a treacherous, sucking quagmire. You are not just an observer, you are the last line of defense for creatures great and small. Green lizards have sharp eyes and can see movement easily. They are fast runners and excellent climbers. Green lizards eat insects like crickets, beetles, and spiders. The green lizard is a bright green reptile that lives in warm, sunny areas. Male green lizards are very territorial and defend their space. When scared, horses can sleep while standing thanks to a special locking system in their legs, but they need to lie down for deep sleep. Horse's eyes are on the sides of its head, giving it a nearly 360 degrees view, except directly in front and behind. Horses can learn commands, recognize human emotions, and remember people for years. Horses naturally live in herds and form strong bonds with other horses and humans. Pandas are mostly solitary. They mark territory with scent glands and usually avoid one another except during mating season. Pandas like Meixiang, Tiantian, and Baobao have gained worldwide attention in zoos and panda breeding programs. Pandas are born blind, pink, and very small, about the size of a stick of butter. Zebras live in groups, herds, and often form strong family bonds. Plain zebras form harems, one male with several females and foals, while Grevy's zebras are more solitary. Zebras live in savannas, grasslands, woodlands, shrublands, and even mountainous regions across eastern and southern Africa. Zebras are hindgut fermenters, meaning they digest food in their cecum and colon, allowing them to extract nutrients from low-quality forage. Green iguanas have a parietal eye on top of their head. It can't see images but detects light and movement to help them sense predators from above. Green iguanas primarily eat leaves, flowers, fruits, and other plant matter. In captivity, their diet must be carefully balanced. Green iguanas are not currently endangered, but habitat loss and overcollection could pose threats in the future. Green iguanas have a parietal eye on top of their head. Dogs were domesticated from wolves over 15,000 years ago, making them one of the first domesticated animals. Dogs can see in the dark better than humans, due to a structure called tapetum lucidum in their eyes. Dogs come in an astonishing range of sizes, from the tiny Chihuahua, about 2 pounds, to the massive English Mastiff, up to 250 pounds. Dogs form strong bonds with their humans and can experience separation anxiety when left alone too long. Dogs were domesticated from wolves over 15,000 years ago. Rhinos are herbivores and eat only plants including grass, leaves, branches, and shrubs, sometimes eating over 100 pounds of food a day. Rhinos have poor eyesight and cannot see very far, but their hearing and sense of smell are extremely strong and help them stay alert. Rhinoceros comes from Greek words meaning nose horn, because all rhinos have 1 or 2 horns on their nose. Rhinos are herbivores and eat only plants, including grass. Red iguanas look like mini dinosaurs, with spiny crests running down their backs and long, powerful tails. Red iguanas may show more green or orange hues as they age, or during breeding season. Red iguanas are a color morph of the green iguana. Iguana. They aren't a separate species, just a naturally occurring or selectively bred color variation. Red iguanas look like mini dinosaurs, with spiny crests running down their backs and long, powerful tails.
Tigers are the largest cats in the world. A male Siberian tiger can weigh over 600 pounds, 270 kilograms, and grow up to 10 feet, 3 meters, long with tail. Tigers are mostly nocturnal. Their eyes are specially adapted for night vision. They can see 6 times better than humans in the dark. Tigers are endangered due to poaching and habitat loss. Only around 4,000 tigers are left in the wild. Tigers love water and are excellent swimmers, unlike most cats. They often cool off in rivers or lakes. Tigers are the largest cats in the world. A male Siberian tiger can weigh over 600 pounds.
Hippopotamus means river horse. It comes from the Greek words hippos, horse, and potamos, river. Hippos are the 3rd largest land mammals, after elephants and white rhinos. They can weigh 1,500 to 4,000 kilograms, 3,300 to 8,800 pounds. That's heavier than a car. Hippos give birth in water, and calves weigh around 45 kilograms, 100 pounds, at birth. Calves ride on their mother's back in water and stay close for several months. The male Jackson's chameleon, Trioceros jacksoni, is one of the most distinctive and prehistoric-looking reptiles in the pet trade and in the wild. Instantly recognizable, he looks like a miniature triceratops that has mastered the art of camouflage. Male Jackson's chameleon is defined by the 3 prominent horns on his face, which are made of keratin, the same material as our fingernails. The male Jackson's chameleon, Trioceros jacksoni, is one of the most distinctive and prehistoric-looking reptiles in the pet trade and in the wild. Elephants mourn their dead. They will touch and revisit the bones of deceased companions. They display complex emotions like joy, grief, compassion, and even humor. An elephant's trunk has around 40,000 muscles used for breathing, smelling, touching, grabbing, and trumpeting. Elephants are herbivores, eating 150-300 kilograms, 330, 660 pounds of food daily. While Asian elephants have smaller, rounded ears, chameleons change color not just for camouflage, but also for communication, temperature regulation, and emotional expression, stress, mating, etc. Chameleons have a tongue longer than their body, which they shoot out at high speed to capture insects. The tip of the tongue is sticky and forms a suction cup-like structure. Most chameleons are highly territorial, especially males, and will show aggressive color patterns to warn rivals. Chameleons are ectothermic, cold-blooded. Lions are carnivores and apex predators. They mainly eat large animals like zebras, wildebeest, and buffalo. Lions are classified as vulnerable by the IUCN due to habitat loss, human-wildlife conflict, and poaching. Lions are the only truly social cats. They live in groups called prides. A pride usually consists of related females, their offspring, and 1-3 adult males. Lions are carnivores and apex predators. They live in groups called prides. Crocodiles have been around for about 200 million years, making them one of the oldest surviving species from the age of the dinosaurs. Crocodiles have the strongest bite force of any animal, up to 3,700 pounds per square inch. CI. Crocodiles can see well at night and have special valves in their ears and nose to keep out water when submerged. Crocodiles have been around for about 200 million years, making them one of the oldest surviving species from the age of the dinosaurs. Beautiful yet deadly, as the very mud that nourishes the plant life becomes a viscous prison for the animals that call this place home. Your mission is a high-stakes race against time, demanding skill, strategy, and a profound respect for the wild. Navigate your rescue vehicle through flooded trails and unstable terrain to locate distressed animals. Each rescue is a unique puzzle. A python coiled around a submerged log, a slow loris clinging to a mud-slicked branch, or a young elephant calf stuck in a pit.